happens. All right. Good morning, good evening, good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon, wherever you might be watching from. We are here live in Amarillo, Texas, baby.
My
My
cowboy.
cowboy hat.
I got tapped into a
Go
buy.
by. Looking to see what thing is going.
I don't see
Don't see it live yet. We'll see here in a second, I guess.
Go
Go
to
to R&D channel.
channel. Potentially. Mm-hmm.
Maybe on a real
Any delay, maybe.
You're live.
I just don't see it. All right. Perfect. Check. We're not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9.
10, 11, 12. Check. About 15 seconds.
Second delay. All right.
Oh, man. Yeah, so this is for educational purposes only. Please
Use proper risk management when you are trading,
especially the indices, U.S. indices,
NASDAQ 100,
and or U.S. 30. Good morning, everybody.
It is 8:08. Pacific Standard Time? No.
Central Standard Time, y'all. All is well. Thanks. If this is your first time joining,
Thanks for joining.
go ahead
Go ahead and
like,
go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up real quick, y'all. Hit that thumbs up.
Real quick. Like we got tapped in right at the top of this little wick. Can't see my screen. I'm trying to see what's up. All right, let's get it together. All right, we're trading on Carbon Capital broker. Trading view. Just taking a look at the stock. The NASDAQ 100. Right. Let's see how this sounds real quick. So it's cut off.
Yeah, like I can only see.
See it. Let's see if we can change that. See what you're talking about. Fit to screen. No?
Stretch to screen. There we go.
Is that better? I think that's better. Yeah, it'll show up here in a sec. All right.
Dope. We're going. We're going to this resistance level if we continue up.
We had our breaking structure up here at 735. Where are you watching from, guys? Where are you watching from? I'm gonna throw this into our. See it all now? Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
can.
can.
Yeah, yeah, you can.
Oh,
Cool.
I'm joined
Joined
this
this
morning with my
morning with my
co-host,
co-host,
my
my
co-pilot.
co-pilot.
What's your name on? What's your trading name?
am I a trader?
He's a trader ninja. Okay, so I can hear a delay. Why is that?
Check.
Let me see.
Check.
Has two audio inputs. Right, this is an audio check. This is our first stream in a long time, so we're just checking out some new ways of streaming the live New York session. Screen is what? My computer screen? I do.
Go big with your
Trying to find it. Hold on. All right, what's up, everybody? Thanks for joining us this morning. 8:12. Going to be looking at the New York Stock Exchange market open at 8:30. It's going to be amazing. It's good on my phone, y'all. It's a good looking guy right here. You did. So we need to work on the screen. Bear with us. Oh boy, come on. Additional? No. I see what you're saying though. Um, get something here.
output.
Figure it out. Where I need to have another screen so I can pull this over. Check. Maybe it's 30s. Just throw it away. Let's get rid of it and bring in another one. Screen capture. Game capture. Anybody know how to work this? Let's see. Right. Show carbon. I need Google.
Did you cancel?
Cancel.
Do live?
No.
Oh, okay.
Why?
No, I see you guys.
It's black right now.
But I can.
Yeah, you can see the. I don't guess I need Zoom open. Huh. I just do one screen. Is that better?
Now, I'm wondering if it has to do with how big your screen is
Yeah.
and it trying to
I say stretch to fit. No.
scale to fit.
You know what? It's because I don't have these open all the way. Oh, look at that. That's cool. What if I say to screen? If I say crop. All right. So if I say crop, that I don't know. Is that good? Because I can zoom in. See those? Is that good or not?
Doesn't look. I need to go look at somebody else. Maybe you can look at this and tell me.
Better? Mario's watching. Dude, we're just getting it together. We're
Nah.
trying to figure it out. It's been a minute. Trying to figure it out, bro. Saying it looks blurry. The screen looks blurry. The camera looks good, but this screen don't look right. Is the problem. You can tell. So they're only able to see whenever I click. Okay, need to change the name of this. Rename. Need to name one. Trading view. About to share this, man. We're gonna trade the open together. Hey, look, we in profit. What happens when you jump on early? You dig? We're gonna take it up, dog. No.
I did.
Oh, you got in early. Here. Like this stop was about gonna be 50. Right. Can you see that? Y'all can't even see that. Let's figure this out, man. Screen capture. New source. View. Pick the screen. There we go. Can transform. Now click. Oh man, I'm trying to figure it out. There we go. Can you see it all? There, I'm back, and now try this again. That see it all now? Check, 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 check. All right. On a little bit of a delay. Uh, yeah, I'm just still checking it out, checking it out, checking it out. Madre, yeah, it'd be cool to have another screen so I could see this. No. If I want to show just carbon, bang. Trading view, bang. I wish I had that on the stream deck. What's it called? Stream Deck. All right, I'm gonna share this. Give me music. Go turn the arrow. Gotta buy for NAS. Buy for US 30. Let's see. NAS. Cool. R1. We're looking to go to R2. Right. Now we're gonna share it, guys. To our Telegram group. If you're interested in joining our Telegram group, y'all just let me know. I'll send you a link, or I'll put the link in the description. Link in the description, y'all. No. Yes, it's me. Okay. Copy this to our Zoom. All right. Look like we're going in. Look like we're going in. Guys, where y'all is, man? We traded uh news this morning. Traded news this morning. So let's see. That put us in a buy. See right here. Where are we going with this buy? It looks like, oh, we get a dot on the 30. See that dot? Let me see. Is there a 4 hour we can target? Okay. So there's a 4 hour here. There's a lot of imbalance to the top side to the higher price ranges. So seems like I'm gonna have to eat this mic so y'all can hear what I'm saying. That's cool. Anyway, so we're in a buy. Oh, look like we're in two buys. A US 30 buy. Oh God, are we in both? Yeah, it's ugly. Okay. Now we're not taking any calls right now. If you're trying to call me, oh, free. 8:30 open right now. Y'all are about 15 seconds delay. So as you can see, Nas is taking a push up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to just put that stop loss in profit. US 30s, man. I forgot I was in a US 30, but buy stop. That's all right. We'll take it to the top of this fib fan. All right. See, I wish I. Uh, yeah, so we just protected that mug. Okay. Hola, hola, hola. I know, I'm proud already. All of you guys who are trading with us this morning, I'm just proud y'all are here. All right. I'm going to get out of this US 30 trade because that was unexpected. Take $20. All right. I'm just looking at Nas. Dude, Nas is going to be touching that fib fan to the decimal. Oh, come on. And pushing through. Can y'all see that? Let's go up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to carbon. Let's go to carbon. That kind of bull candle right there. How did we get that entry? That's what I want to know. All right, so what I'm going to do is I got 2 pennies on here. Watch this. I'm going to right click, modify, go to market execution. I'm going to take half of that because it's at my fib level. That blue line was based on a fib that I had. Let's go to hour so you can see this. Let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour. The daily. All right, so here's a daily chart. And from this high here, can y'all see the high? Hope y'all can see the high. All right, so here's a dot right here, and that's gonna be our high. So when I go to a 30-minute, I'm just changing the time, like the time frame. I want to get from that high. Y'all see those blue lines that are moving? I want to put that middle line. There's 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. I want to put that blue line right here. Okay, right on this dot. Okay, that's called a fib fan. And see how it's kind of reacting to the fib fan level? It's pushing right through it. That's great. So then what I'll do is target the higher price ranges. Dude, we in profit now, baby. We're gonna target up here. So what I'll do is I will get this line. No, not stop loss. No, not stop loss. I want TP. Okay. Being silly. Let's see if I can grab that. All right, there's TP. Let's go up. That's as high as I can go up. I gotta hurry so it don't knock me out right there. Going up higher to the 4-hour order block, which is this gray line here. All right, so that's a potential $200. Let's go. Y'all happy? Are y'all happy y'all joined this stream? So we're rejecting that fib level right there, which is great. Okay. We've already taken profit. And so what I'll do is I'll move my stop loss into a little bit more profit so that, can y'all see this? I don't even know if y'all can see this. Seems like y'all can, but I don't know. Let's see. Stretch? No, it's not stretch. Is it transform fit? No, it's not transform to fit. I don't know. I'm messing it up probably. What am I doing? I'm trying to stream and trade at the same time. This is not fun. All right, we're going to hit reset. Let's see what happens when we hit reset. Oh, God, nothing happens. Let's go to trading view. All right, let's get rid of carbon. Okay, perfect. Because you can see the same thing here, except for the fib fan. All right, but we got our stop loss and profit risk-free trade. I think it was somewhere right here. And I was having a 50-point stop loss. So we hit roughly a 1-to-1. Let's see, almost a 1-to-1. But we're going to target your price ranges. All right, so now this thing has the potential just to rip all the way back down and knock us out. All right, here, let me get this full screen so y'all can see. Where you watching from, y'all? Like it. Like this channel. Subscribe to this channel. We're going live. We're trading live. If you want access to a private Telegram group, let me know. We'll put the link in the description, all that jazz. But first, I need you to subscribe, like, comment. What else you do? You dig? Birthday. When's your birthday? I'm just kidding. Okay. Yeah, so you know what would be better? If you could see both of these screens. If you could see both of these screens, that would be so much better. If I did something like this, you know what? I think that might be the issue why we can't go back. Let me see if I can do this better. Can we do it better, dude? Yes. Can always do it better. Let me delete this guy. I was gonna see both screens in a second. Carbon Capital and Trading View. I just have to figure out what I'm doing with it. Give me 1 second. All right, so here's screen. Oh, I think this is it. Come on. All right, let's get rid of one so don't get confusing. All right, so now you can see all the screen. Cool. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, so we're trying to figure it out, y'all. I see y'all in the chat. What up, Mario? Natalia? Kayla? Now, these are the wizards right here, y'all. Keep this stream up. We're going to keep it up. This is our first official live stream trading NAS 100. And this thing is just ripping up. A 1 to 1.1. Come on. We already took half off the table on a 2 penny lot for today. Oh, and there was a US 30 that I got into kind of on accident, but it's all good because it was in profit. Okay, so hopefully this looks a little bit better. I don't know. Still figuring it out. Wish there was a way I could know exactly what I'm doing, but hey, who cares? Maybe there's a way I can stretch this out. Transform. Let's see here, because this might be the tickets. It's not. Let's see. 130. 30. Oh, that's trading view. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of that. Trash. Yes. All right. Now let's edit. No, not that. Let's go to edit transform. Here we go. We're getting it together, guys. Oh, good. They say it looks good. So we're on about a 15-second delay. That's what it seems like. Hey, but not bad for our first stream. If y'all took this trade with us, Mario, if you took this trade with us, dude, you sitting pretty nice. I really don't know how this should look. I'm just kind of guessing. Know some good YouTubers that can give us some pointers. All right, let's get off of here. Bang, here we go. So we're just gonna wait and see what Price wants to do. I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame. If we get this 30-minute candle to close above this fib fan here, you know what would be cool? If I could just bang, go full screen like that. That's what I want to do. So you can see. Go here. Y'all see all these dots? All I do is connect the dots. Y'all see the, let's go to a daily level. All right, we'll zoom in. See that black line? That black line is actually connecting two dots. Pretty simple stuff. Not hard at all. It's never hard. Trading is not hard. We make it hard. All right, so I see these dots here. These could potentially be resistance. So what I'll do is I'll grab from this yellow dot. I'm going to grab a box, and all I'm going to do is make a box right here. All right, so now I have one area here that we may get some reaction out of. All right, or we may get stopped out in profit. I don't know. Oh yeah, the 5 minute candle wanted to come and challenge. So it's cool. Profit, stop losses in profit. See here, we can adjust that to be just a little bit closer to our entry in case price wants to come and challenge and then wick, leave a wick and then take off running, going higher. But see how price is respecting the fib fan. That's telling me that it may have reached an area of resistance. So we'll just wait and see. And if so, look, if price decide, because look, price is gonna do whatever price want to do. You dig? Uh, looking for the path. The so price could potentially come down. Y'all like that? It's like football. All right, come down, find support here, which was once resistance right here, and then bounce right up. So that's what I'm. That's the idea. That's what I'm going to think is going to happen. Now, if it comes all the way back down, I'll definitely get stopped out. Okay. And if I do, that's okay because I'll look for potential re-entry. You dig? All right, man. I just want to thank everybody for tuning in this morning. I'll end that live chat. Hey, what's up, guys? Come on. Y'all are amazing. Y'all are amazing waking up early, jumping in on the New York Stock Exchange market open. We can watch as price. Probably going to be real tiny on the screen, but you can kind of see where we're in profit down here at the bottom. Just going to let this run. So we took half, right? We took half. And the idea is when you get in profit, protect that trade, take half at an area of interest or at a 1-to-1, protect it, and let the runner run all the way up. And if it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. Either way, it's going to be a great day. Great day to trade. Yesterday was amazing. Good Lord. All you had to do is click buy. All right, looks like we're going to get stopped out here. Zoom in. It's a pretty decent retracement. And I'm not going to be interested in selling this thing unless it gives us a little bit more sign of bearish structure. Okay. All right, so we're stopped out in profit. Profit for the day was $54. Winner, 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 chicken dinner, dinner, dinner. Oh, that's amazing. All you had to do is trade the market open and you was in profit. Like super dope. All right, here's some bearish momentum. Now, bearish momentum and bearish structure are totally different. All right, bearish momentum is what we're seeing right now. That's the bears are stepping on the gas. What's bears mean? Bears means that price is going down, which is what's happening right now. Price is going down. All right. That's what I'm talking about, brother. You see what I'm saying? That's some bearish momentum right there. Straight up bearish momentum. Now, if you look at a lower time frame, what you see is that price took out all these highs. Let's see what the high was over here. Let's look at the previous day high. Previous day high. Where are you? Yeah, previous day high is here or here. Nope, down here. All right, previous day high is down here. So we took out, what day is that? Tuesday high. We took Tuesday high out. I'm getting an alert. That's cool. And I don't see nothing else. All right, so we took Tuesday high out, and then I think this thing has potential to run up still. So this little retracement now is just to trick sellers into selling. So hopefully you didn't click sell too fast. All right, and so the algorithm that we use is what, guys? Y'all remember? Y'all remember this? Here we go. Here's a breakup structure going up. All right. Now, here at this level, let me get my pen tool. Do I have a pen tool? Yeah, I can use a brush. Here, is where the market makers are tricking sellers into selling. So they put their stop loss here, right? So this is a reason to, okay? So I'll put RTP, reason to push. This is the bankers' reason to push up. They have a reason to drive price up so that it'll take out these stop losses that are sitting right here. Does that make sense? Right there. That's where the stop loss is. All right. Now, there's one more area. We want to find an area of rejection, which could be here. Oh, could be right there. Where it's rejecting. All right, where it's rejecting right here. Because this line, this dotted line, is our 4-hour resistance, which now is support to the decimal. So that's called AOR. AOR, area of rejection, right there. Boom. So we're looking for a break of structure, which it did. See that green arrow? I'm going to put that there, break of structure. Here's our rules. I'm giving it all away on the first day. Golly. Break of structure going up. It broke structure going up, right? Price went up, broke structure. It rejected this area here, reason to push back up. It fell into an area of rejection at this level here. Now, here we're looking for a trigger, man. What would be the trigger? What would be the trigger to take this mug all the way up? Because at this point, this stop loss is still dope. 50-point stop loss is still great. So we're looking to take price up once it gives us a break of structure going up. That would be, call it, do y'all remember? Somewhere there's going to be a break of structure going up. That will be our green light. Green means go. All right? We're getting through this on the first one. So looking for a break of structure up. That means green means go. And I'm going to change this to green so that we know what we're looking for. Come on, man. Looking for a break of structure up. All right. Here we go. Looking for that right there. So whenever that happens, now that can happen on a 5-minute, that can happen on a 2. Afraid of that 2-minute. Don't be afraid of the 2-minute. All right. But this pin bar, this hammer candle looks like it wants to reject and go up higher. So we'll just wait and see. All right, but we're not gonna mess with the 2-minute since y'all are new and it's day one. All right. Now we're looking for the green means go, baby. Come on, man. We waiting. While we wait, hydrate. Coffee. This is the best coffee in the world. But it got cold. Who wants to help me? Warm me. Or refill. Hook it up. All right, y'all. Hope that makes sense. Now we're just going to wait. What's today? Today is Thursday. Oh, we got news. Here's another thing, y'all. Look, here's the other thing. Just because it rejected right here doesn't mean this is the area of rejection. We're still looking for the area of rejection. It could be this. But if it breaks through this, then I'm looking for it to come to the bottom of this guy. All right, so it could be something more like that. Because we have this trend line that's coming through too. So it could be that trend line. We're just going to wait. All right. We have news. What time is news? We go to myfxbook.com Forex economic calendar. And y'all see 9 o'clock, we got some red folders. So we traded the news this morning, guys. And we made some pips. Here comes a push down. So there's some bearish momentum. Bearish momentum and bearish structure are totally different. All right. Why would we not entertain selling? I know some of y'all already click sell. I already know. Some of y'all click sell, but we are going up. This is a bull trend on a 5 minute. Now on the 30 minute, it's still a bull trend. That means that price is going up even on the 30 minute. If you go on the hour, dude, we've been going up for a minute. Look at this. We still have not broke. I mean, we might get a little crowded if I put more lines on here, but we haven't broke this trend line right there. That is the trend line you want to break to go bearish. Till that one gets broke, I ain't interested. You know what? Let me change this to some yellow action so that we know. Bang. Go back to 5 minute. It's kind of crowded when you got all this stuff up here. But anyway, we try to keep it clean. If you look over here on carbon, this orange. You see the orange, right? Y'all know about that orange? This orange. Move average. Dang, that's the tomato. I call it the tomato because that's the name of the color. You dig? All right, so there's bearish momentum, but not bearish structure. Bearish structure would look more. Let's see if we can find some bearish structure. All right, so here's some bearish structure. All right, comes down, starts to reject. Now you see all these candles. That is bearish structure right there. And once price breaks through that bearish structure, look what happened when it went down. See, bearish structure means bearish, um, bearish movement, not just bearish momentum. Now, bearish momentum preceded the bearish trend, but it doesn't necessarily mean that's what's happening right now. Okay, because if we zoom out, zoom out, you can see price still hasn't broke that trend line going down. So this was just a bounce off of that trend line. So price could come all the way back down and bounce. And so there may be potential for us to get into some quick sales, but you dig. So we'll just wait and see. Just wait and see. Watch this wick to this fib fan too. So here's the other thing. Always keep this in mind. If you go to 30 minute, we got about 7 minutes left, right? I need to get rid of some of this stuff because it's getting all crowded. Let me get rid of it. Waiting for a breaker structure up. That's kind of the idea. Let me see if I can get rid of this. Get rid of that. Some of this stuff. Get rid of some of this stuff. Getting crowded. Banks are coming for these stop losses, so we're looking to still go up. Leave my idea here because it's kind of fun. Just because I have an idea don't mean that's what it's gonna do. I learned that a long time ago. You want to make this market laugh? Tell them what you want it to do. Oh man, look at that. To the decimal. Made a bearish push down to this trend line. All right. Go full screen on trading view. Comes to this. Yeah, let me make it a little bit thicker so we can see it. All right, cool. Price came up off of this midpoint here of this 4 hour. Okay. And now pushed up. Bearish momentum said coming on down, coming on down. And flip going down, but let's pay attention. 2-1. Now some of y'all gonna click sell. I know it. 4 hour order block on a trend line that's being rejected. So I'm just saying, be careful. This doesn't necessarily mean click buy either. I don't see a lot of bearish structure. I see bearish momentum, and our rule is that price needs to come out of a area of rejection, which there is a wick here, but that doesn't mean there's an area of rejection yet. We're going to wait 5 minutes. Once that closes, we can think about it. You understand? All right, go. So came to the trend line. It's gonna kind of play around on this trend line, and we'll see what happens. All right, all right, all right. Dude, just hang tight. All right, there's a 8 minute GAN flip going down. It's pretty significant. So I'm waiting for a pullback. If we can get a pullback, all right, if we can get a pullback, here's where here's where bearish structure could potentially. What am I looking for? I'm looking for I'm looking for this bearish structure to come down, bounce up, and then give us a break of structure down. Okay, so if it could pull back and give us bearish structure going down, that would be dope. Now on the lower time frame, you already got that. Here's the pullback right here, that green candle, bang, going down. But y'all don't want to mess with that 2 minute. All right, so let's just see. Let's just see. We can watch this one go by. We ain't got to jump in every stinking move, man. All right. So we know we're out of this trade here. That went to a 1 to 1.1. Bad. All right. So we just wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait, wait. Just want to thank everybody for joining us this morning. Hope y'all got some good coffee. Yeah, like these pancake candles. Stretch them mugs out. So here's another trend line. Now we could just be bouncing in between these trend lines. This is a massive range right here, right there. Y'all see that? So we got about a minute, 2 minutes left till this 30-minute count till 9 o'clock news. What's gonna happen on 9 o'clock news? Here's how we're gonna set this up. Here's how we're gonna set it up, Di. Looking for this push down to continue. Yeah. Find support either at the bottom of the 4 hour or at this 30 minute. Because it's still just bearish momentum. Now I do have a sell stop beneath here. I have a sell stop, which means that if price does come here, it'll tap me into a sell. Something like that with a 50-point stop loss. Something like that, right? And I'll target the top of this 4 hour. Like that. All right. But if price does want to push up, to see, look at 5 minute. All right. I'll put a buy stop here. It starts to break these levels going up. That'll be dope. But we'll watch on a 1 minute. See this trend line? This trend line is creating liquidity right there. So banks have a reason to push up right there because of that stop loss that's sitting right there. We'll just wait and see. So I have a buy stop here at the top. Stop at the top and a sell stop at the bottom. So we'll just mark this up so we can see what we're talking about. So our initial idea is still valid. Our initial idea is still valid. Okay. We'll keep that there so it don't get crowded. And this will target a 1 to 1.5 going up if it does go up. All right, 9 o'clock. Here comes news. Trading news again, y'all. Sheesh. So dope. Get ready. Because this thing might just rip up real fast. So I want to. US 30 is in another entry? How? Oh, it got into a sell stop. All right. Let's get out of US 30 because that was a sell stop. But we ain't trading that this morning, dude. We gotta watch out for them sell stops and forgetting about them. All right, but US 30 is doing its thing. Sheesh. We'll watch Nas today, okay? But at least it was in profit, anyways. Who said that? All right, $60 for today. Trading low lot sizes, guys. 2 pennies. 2 pennies, yo. That's all you need. Watch this break of structure coming up. Click sell on that 5 minute GAN flip. I hope you didn't. Oh boy. Well, let's see what happens. Either way, doesn't matter. As long as you risk properly, okay? So our initial idea is still valid as well. Our initial idea, this guy right here, I'm gonna make him yellow, and then I'll make this one red, okay? So these two guys, we just gotta wait and see what Price wants to do. Because Price is gonna do whatever Price wants to do. So news is happening right now. It takes it a bit. This is the home sales news for December and durable goods orders. So, yeah, these were the news today, the new homes and the durable goods. So here comes the reports. They're coming in right now. We'll see how this affects the market. All right. We're looking at here. NAS still under a buy signal. US 30 still under a sell signal. Amazing. It's amazing how they do the opposite sometimes. So this is no longer valid fib. Get rid of that. Uh, Still see potential to come up. So we're inside this 4 hour order block. Inside it. We've broke through it just a bit on the bottom side. But I'm looking for it to find support here and rip up. Actually do here. So as price comes up and challenges this tomato over here, middle of the fib fan, the blue line, we might get pushed into this buy. We might get pushed into that buy. But the thing about trading is you don't want to get like overly excited. Stay chill, man. That's why I say Alexa, play spa. Play spa. Are y'all enjoying this YouTube live? This is gonna be up forever. This is never coming down. First day to stream in 2023. Profitable trading NAS. Would you have ever thought, could you have ever imagined that we would be trading live on YouTube NAS100 early in the beginning stages of our learning? But NAS was just eating our lunch. As we just eat our lunch, man. Shh. Talk about burnt our toast. I'm over here trading NAS like it ain't nothing. Just waiting, just watching. Just watching this thing move. It's like a little puppy, man. You gotta take care of it. It could turn into ferociousness real fast though. And a good stream so far, the first stream of 2023. I'm glad you all are watching soon. Soon, and very soon, you will be joining me in the trading floor, on the trading floor. Dig? where we all up in here trading live. Dude, we got a dope team. And if you're interested in joining our team, just let us know so that we can get you the education that you want to have before jumping into these markets. So it looks like this news was something. Maybe we're gonna have to wait for a minute. I don't know. News is kind of abrupt. Looking like it's kind of thinking about it. Here's the other thing. So it's 9:06. I want you to look at the opening candle, right? And what I like to do sometimes is grab a rectangle, and I want to go from the top of the opening candle to the bottom of the opening candle. What does that mean? That means that the 8:30 candle, all right? The 8:30 candle. I'm going to make it white so we can see it. 8:30 candle gave us this range. So as long as price is still in that range, we're looking for a breakout of the first 30-minute candle. That could potentially give us the direction for the day. Doesn't necessarily mean that, because price could come down here and break beneath and then go up. But we want to get some kind of structure that tells us where price wants to go. So we're seeing structure here. See, it came back all the way back up to this GAN flip candle, which was not bad. If you took the GAN flip, you in profit still. Your stop loss got hit though. If you was an entry candle, stop loss. If you were structure, you're still good. All right. Testing the tomato. Dive into that bar. I don't recommend it. Look, you could be getting set up for a range. Come on. See how it's rejecting this tomato. That's what I'm talking about. So the best advice is when you don't know what to do, don't do nothing. It's better to be out of a trade. Come on, y'all. Type it on the line. Type it on the line. It's better to be out of a trade wishing you were in. Better write that down. It's better to be out of a trade wishing you were in than to be in a trade you were out. That's right. Trade wishing you were in than to be in a trade wishing you were out. That's what the pilots say. The pilots of the airplanes say. It's better to be on the ground wishing you was in the sky than to be in the sky wishing you was ground. All right, so we're watching this news take shape. Now, if we were to just kind of play the scenario of price coming down, it has quite a bit of mitigation. All right. Meaning that it has quite a ways to go to mitigate some of these imbalances that are down here. So there's no doubt about that. No doubt about that at all. I can get rid of this. I don't need that. Do I need this 4 hour down here? Let me look. Ooh. No, I don't think so. So what I'll do is I'll zones, 4 hour zones. Get rid of that 30-minute. So now we have a clear path to where price could potentially go when we come down to the lower time frame. Price breaks beneath this level here. We could take it to this trend line, see how it reacts, and then potentially take it to this 4 hour order block, see how it reacts there when it gets to this trend line going up. All right. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it, man. Nothing to it. Just watching. So if you see here, this was yesterday's entry, guys. OMG. All you had to do is click buy at this GAN flip after this build up right here. Do I still have? I sure do. Look at that. So consolidation zone, right? We break out of the consolidation zone. We get the GAN flip, a break of structure. Boom, right there. There's the break of structure. Hopefully y'all can see that. Break of structure, GAN flip, and then you just watch this thing fly up. It never comes and flips the GAN to red until here after the whole session. That ain't nothing but profit. And what we want to do is monitor on the 8 minute. After it's made that big of a bull run, the GAN flip here, but we also have the handy dandy RSI monitor on the 15 minute. RSI is still here. You can monitor on the 30 minute. RSI is still above the yellow line up here. GAN never flipped. And has still yet to flip going down on the 30 minute. So a lot more reason for us to be looking for buys. You dig? So that's it. So that we do have a GAN flip red here, but we also had one here. We also had one here. We had one here. So these GAN flips to red doesn't necessarily mean much when you're in a bullish trend. But that yesterday trade, man, 1 to 12 at open, and then pre-market you had 1 to 9 market. So these rules are amazing. All right, catch on to these rules. Oh, this 4 hour order block, we've seen price reject and go south quite a bit. So we could potentially be in a 300 point range from this order block, the gold bar, to where the bottom is. So just gotta wait and see. It seems as though price is building up. It's either gonna build up to break out or break down. Build up to break down or break up. Right. So we're still in the 830 candles range right here. I'm really interested to see where this thing will go. Either break beneath it, find support, go up, let's continue to break up and go to this order block. Ain't nothing to it. All right, so we also go to cnbc.com. That gives us a quick overview of who's in the market, who's playing. The Dow Jones, or we go to the NASDAQ. Percentage change, and you can see that the bulls are in the market more than the bears. There's more green than there is red. Bulls are green, bears are red. So now we're just waiting for the bulls to take their horns and throw price all the way up. But we saw a buildup like this yesterday. Okay. Remember yesterday? Yesterday we saw a buildup just like this right here. And it started to kind of go up and down. Now, if you get caught in that, you're going to get whipsawed. Whipsaw, whipsaw, whipsaw. That means you're going to go up, down, up, down. Yeah. You want to wait for a clear break of structure, again to flip blue, and exiting the area of rejection. So we saw that yesterday. So if we go back to where we are right now, what's happening right now? You still haven't got the consolidation zone yet. What I mean by that is, let me get rid of this white box. And let me get rid of some of this stuff. Okay. All right. So these little boxes that show up here still haven't got one in the consolidation range that we're in currently. But I'm anticipating that's going to happen here pretty soon. It just seems like that. All right. So let's see. What else are we on? Okay. So we're above the 200, beneath the 20 moving average. Looks like we're at resistance 1 pivot point. These are just some other things that I look at. Just keep on watching. Keep watching. So here comes a push up. See if this is the one that's gonna break. 915. So this just gives us another target. If we do potentially get into a buy, we're going here. If we get into a potential sell, we'll take it down. So all I know is I don't know. I just wait. Be patient. See what happens. If we get punched into this buy stop might be a little early. All I know is I don't know. Do it here. That means my stop loss will be 71. All right, we got punched into that buy. Here's our buy. Right there. Let's go. There's 50 points. Profit. A 2 penny. All right. So we're at a 2 penny. Something like this. That's 50 points. If I was to go off a structure, it would be that low right there. 70. 40. Something like that. Let's see this. We're gonna see if we got into this trade a little early. There may be some drawdown that we have to endure. But who's afraid of a little drawdown? So either one of these ideas still has the potential to play out. Here's our push down. We're looking for a breaker structure up to go higher. We got the breaker structure on the lower time frame right there. So let's just see what happens. All I know is I don't know. Target the bottom of that 4-hour order block right there. Comes down here. So we are in profit just a little bit. A little bit of profit. But because I know we're coming up on this fib fan, let me come here to the 1 minute. Yeah, you're gonna retest that tomato, ain't you? Okay. We'll just see what happens. So we're risking. I mean, on this account, it don't make no sense. But if I were on a small account, like $100 or $1,000 account, yeah, we'd be risking 1%, 1.5. No, if we was on $1,000, we'd be risking 10%. $10,000. This is 1%. Gotcha. This is such a big demo account, so we're pretending that it's a small account. All of y'all who are taking challenges and stuff like that. Right. So I'm gonna look at. Let's see. Oh, y'all know what? I'm gonna share something with y'all. Let me see. Yeah, we got some small volume in here. All right. There's an indicator. Are you ready? Indicator of the day. Accumulation distribution with markers by Dove Caspi. All right. So this is a really cool indicator that shows us accumulation distribution levels. All right, got an alert. The 8-minute GAN flip up. So more confluence to go up. 5-minute. All right. I'll put that indicator on here so we can check it out. Y'all ready? Accumulation distribution. Come on. What? Volume. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need consolidation. Zone. Accumulation distribution. All right, check it out. So right now, it's showing that we had a push up green. Can y'all see that? Dude, this is dope. I'm gonna put it up here. Showed it that we had a push up green, right? And we accumulated and we down. Now, I might have it backwards. You have to check me. Anyway, the red is starting to push up. We're gonna see how high it wants to push up. See what it looks like on the lower time frame. Right. So it starts to turn up, starts to show that little green indicator that says there are buyers in the market. We'll see. We'll see what happens. It's gotta wait. Look, that 15 minute, we're still in a green mode. Look that up. I need to know which one it is because I keep getting confused. Accumulation in trading. Just show me a picture, dude. All right. All right. So accumulation is what happens when price is going up, starts to accumulate, and when it comes down, that's distribution. Okay, gotcha. What else? Let me see. Oh, this looks like a good one. Here it comes. Wyckoff. I guess this is a Wyckoff. All right, so did I say it wrong? So downtrend, it starts an accumulation process and then goes up to an uptrend. And then when it's flipped, it's accumulation. So that's what this indicator is doing. Showing us when it's red, accumulation, when it's green, distribution. All right. Understand that. Look it up. It's good for you. That's what we got over here, man. So minute and a half for a GAN flip going up. So it looks like we got some bullish momentum now. Come on, guys. Are y'all in this buy with me? Who's in this buy with me? All right, GG's in the buy. Word up. You know what? Because the GAN has yet flipped to red on 30 minutes, has flipped to green. This guy, I'm just going to monitor this 30 minute. So now that's enough. That's enough profitability for me to come and protect. I'm going to protect right there. And we're just going to watch this thing fly up, y'all. Y'all ready to watch this thing fly up? Let me see. Let's go 30 minute. We're going to see how it reacts to this GAN. Here's some information. Get to the middle of the 4-hour order block. That'd be $200. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Yeah, I see you. It's going up, going up, going up. Alexa, play Pump It Up. Y'all, are y'all in this buy with me? See, come on, y'all. To pump up. We need to get above this 30-minute order block, this red zone. Y'all in it, man. Y'all in a buy. How did y'all know it was gonna go up? Rewind this video. Dude, 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 come on. GAN flip up. There it is right there, guys. It's just a matter of how much it's gonna go up, because that's the part we don't know. But we're protected. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take half because we're at that fib level, that fib fan level. I'll take 1 penny off the table and let the other penny run, baby. Yes, sir. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it on. Since your fountains in love. All right. Yeah. So check it out, y'all. Came to the tomato and bounced off that tomato, man. That tomato, boy. Woo. Got the tomato on your chart. Put the 100 simple moving average. You come here and go to tomato. All right, let's see if it's going to give us a little bit more highs out of this. But we already took half. And so for the day, we're at $82 just using 2 pennies. Protect that mug, let it run. Protect that mug, let it run. Protect that mug, let it run. Protect that mug. This buy calls for a hat switch. Come on. Let's go. Now we in there. Now we in there. So we're looking at some bearish momentum. Bearish momentum, which looks like it could be giving us double tops. We'll see. Might have protected early. We'll see how it reacts. Could come back down to this 4-hour order block. Let me adjust the protection line just a little bit. All right. $2. Protected at $2. Let's see how it responds. Y'all see that? Buddy. The screen seems like it's really small. All right, let's work on that. Let's see if we can get it better. We do this, it gets bigger, but it doesn't. Let's see, transform. Hey, it stretches. Not too bad. A little bit, more full screen. Think. All right. Did y'all protect that trade? Protected? Are y'all protected, man? Y'all protected? Chat. See this thing rip up. Continuation. Going up to the 4-hour order block. Like we might get stopped out, which is that. If that's the case, that's okay. No worries. All right, so we got stopped out in profit. $84 for the day. Y'all did great. So what I really like about this is that we made our stop loss based on this structure. Had we done it on this candle, we would still be the stop loss wouldn't have gotten hit, but we would be in drawdown. One on the candle entry went for a 0.5 structure stop loss entry. So, hey, blue is blue. You dig? So now it comes back down to retest this 4-hour order block. So what I would do, if it does want to continue to go up, without getting caught in this range, I would potentially take another entry after it's broke out of this 30-minute order block. So that we don't get caught in no consolidation range. Because remember what I said about that opener, the opening candle, the 30-minute, first 30 minute of the market open. Here's 9:30. We're still in that range, guys. We still ain't popped out of that range yet. We're still in that first 30-minute candle range. So now we just wait and see. But that's it. Dude, how many seconds were we in this trade? Make $20. Not very long. I hope y'all are taking these trades with me. But because I protect fairly quickly, that's why we get knocked out in profit. After we take See that? Take half off the table. When we got to the middle of this 30-minute order block, okay, be smart. Be smart. Don't just swing for the fences. Be smart. You're coming to a 30-minute order block, the midpoint of that 30-minute order block. How likely is it that it's going to reject? Very likely. Okay. So you want to see how it reacts there. So I just take half off the table right there and be good. Let the rest run. Put the stop loss in profit. Cool. You dig? Hope y'all understand what I'm saying. And so what I'll do, let me turn this down a little bit because yeah. So that's it. But you see how that GAN flip down was a trickery? Trickery, man. Did you click sell? Don't lie. If you clicked sell, you might have squeezed out a .8. Not bad. Now if you was on a 2-minute, oh boy, that's not too bad. It's a little bit more risky. Y'all know that. All right, there's a 1-to-1 based on the 1 to 1.5 on the entry candle. Not too bad. Ain't playing them small time frames no more. But I just like to go see it. Like see what they're up to. You dig? All right. So that was 76, something like that. So now we're starting to build up again. Looking at this accumulation distribution indicator, looks like we're going to go up. So let's see what would mitigate, what would make sense for us to get into a buy stop. So I'm gonna put a buy stop, right click, go to trading, buy stop, 2 pennies. And what I want to do is do it from the high. So, and I want to go up 10 points right there. It's an Andy Peters move. Shout out to Andy Peters, the trading wizard. Somebody got into a buy. Ay, ay, ay. Y'all enjoying this stream? If y'all are enjoying this stream, man, we're going to keep doing it. We've been on for a minute, too. It up, pump it up. See? That's what I'm talking about. How amazing. I'm glad y'all are on board today. Look, let's go. All right. Oh, some more bullish momentum. Thursday. Y'all got to watch out for these consolidation zones, man. As long as we're still in this market open candle, it's going to be kind of difficult to pick a direction. I'm leaning more towards bullish situation of this push up. Why? Let's look at it. I'm going to get rid of all drawings, and we're going to look at just candles. Are y'all ready? Take a deep breath, because this feels great. Empty chart. Here's why. We look at just an empty chart. We're looking at a 15-minute time frame. We could look at any, but we're looking at 15 minutes. And we come to this, the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high, and we put 38 and 50. We still haven't retraced to the 38. So this just tells me we're going bullish. All right. If we brought this down to this swing low, to this swing high, or even the first swing high, doesn't matter. All right. From this push up, we consolidated. All right. You're an arrow so you can see what's going on. All right. So we push up all the way to here. Then we drop down to the 38 level and the 58 level and push right through these highs. Now, what does that mean? That means fib levels here. And where could we potentially go? Right here, this gold line right there. 12,087. Now, we also, potentially could just, after we broke these highs, we could drop down because of this trend line. There's a trend here, and banks know that there are a bunch of stop losses here. So where is liquidity? All in these stop losses as buyers come into the market. Market makers say, bloom, bloom, back down to 38. So what would make sense for us to look for? Now, if we get a breaker structure going down, a GAN flip going down, GAN high low. Look, I'm gonna look at that 6 minute. I'm gonna look at that 8 minute. Yeah. So now it's starting to form what I would consider the makings of bearish structure. That's why I put that buy stop way up here. Because if it breaks this high, we could take it up a few points. Okay. But now if it breaks structure going down, then we have a lot more liquidity to catch going down. So it just depends. But we're in a bullish move if you look at it from a higher perspective. It's all bullish. Even though this little retracement down, it's still bullish. It's still going up. All right. That's over the course of several days. Okay. All right. So let me go back and pull my drawings back on. All right. There's the arrows. Keep on going. All right, cool. All right, so now we're seeing some bearish momentum again on the lower time frames. So now that it failed to make a higher high, okay, that shows me bearish structure. We got 1 minute left. I'm gonna kill that buy stop. Because we're at such a range area, still have the sell stop beneath all this. So there's still a sell stop on NAS beneath all this level right here. So beneath that level, there's a sell stop. If you want to be risky, you could take this GAN flip down, but look where you are. Look where you are. You're at an area of consolidation. You're at a trend line. You're in a 4-hour order block. It's a smarter move to wait till it breaks through this, so you don't get caught. Because the bank knows that everybody's waiting to fall down. So this could be a trick. Get 30-minute real fast. Yeah, so you're in a 30-minute consolidation. That's what's crazy. All right, so there's our GAN flip down. We're not obligated to take it because of where we are. It's actually really dangerous for us to get into a sell right here. Just be smart. Be patient. Just because our rules say what they say, I mean, you have to understand price action. You got to understand price structure, market structure. So this is on a little delay. So when y'all heard that GAN flip, the GAN flip had like already happened if you're watching your screen. So we're just being patient. Just kind of being patient. We really want to get out of this consolidation zone. The market open candle, like, so here's the big idea. Once it breaks through there, and actually beneath this guy, we're going to take it down. We're going to take it down, 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 down. We're going to take it down to this trend line. If it breaks beneath there, we'll take it to the 4-hour order block. Simple as that. That's all we're waiting on. Nothing to it. You just got to wait. Hold on for a minute, y'all. Are you enjoying yourself? Type it on the line. This is good. I want to know. Is this making sense? Type it on the line. Says making sense, man. Making a lot of sense. If it ain't making no sense, y'all, come on. It makes sense before it makes any dollars. But we look at our history. Look at our history, man. Our history is right here. Our history is right there. $84. Come on. Stop loss and profit. That's why you see these red. All right. Manually took out of US 30 because we put some buy stops and sell stops in there and just scalped. What is US 30 doing? Yeah, US 30 is bouncing in between these fib lines too. So at this point, if you want to stay, all right, I see you. I see you. I see you. Cool. Want to stay on this chart and you want to wait for that to break out, what I would do is put an alert at the top of this range and put an alert at the bottom of the range. And I would name it out market open. See that? And then do the same thing for this one. So now it's just going to alert when it does that. I'll leave the stream going, but I got to take a break, man. I'm going to go get me some fresh air outside because it looks like price is just consolidating. All right, so this is where I would walk away, y'all. Just walk away. So initial idea played out okay, wasn't the greatest. Uh, Price, my path. Why can't I see it? I can never see path. There it is. So price comes down. Right, I'm looking for this idea here. That's trash. Let's do that again. So price comes down here. Looking for something like this. What y'all think? Tell me, is it going up or down? What are we doing? No, is I don't know. Y'all good, man? Thanks for hanging out. Gonna let Price do what Price wants to do. Hmm. Yeah, good. Come on. Lows and lower highs. Well, yeah, that's bearish structure. Lower lows and lower highs. Just gonna be chilling like I'm up. All right, y'all understanding these rules? Y'all catching these entries? Look how much whipsaw. My goodness, I'm just noticing that. Typically, we would be getting whipsawed if we took every one of those entries, the sales especially. We would be getting whipsawed. So I'm just glad. I'm just glad we pick a direction, right? We're bullish, so we don't take the sales unless it breaks this. bigger structure. All right. So we're gonna let Price do what it wants to do. What do I need to do? Looking at carbon. Yeah, we're ranging. Welcome to the range. Oh, y'all know what I need? I need a picture. Will be right back. Look at that. This one. Is this one cool? Something glowy. Video. No, I don't need that. I just need a picture. Just looking, just looking, just looking, just looking. Yay, yay. Trippy. All right, all right. Late night look. Save image. Okay, cool. We're figuring it out. Open it. Open. Ugh, that's ugly. I'll get rid of you. Get rid of you. Look, Naz. Let's get rid of these YouTube pages. We don't need them. Right. So at what price is? Seen. Be right back. BRB. Source. Add. BRB. Nope. Nope. Where'd you go? Desktop. Found it. Really? See what this does. All right, so when I hear this alarm go off, that's when I'm gonna come back. See if there's anything interesting happening. Till then, we're just gonna let it run. So I got that. Guys, man, y'all are amazing. Thanks for hanging out. Enjoy the music. Be back in a minute. All right, all right, all right, man. What is going on, man? I leave for a second. Mug just wants to melt for real, for real. All right, that's all good. Uh, took some of those breakouts. There's an 8 minute GAN flip. Not bad, not bad. I didn't get punched into this cell yet. Um, we're getting close. Did not get punched into it yet. So we'll see what happens. See if I get knocked into that thing real quick. Are y'all still watching? Y'all still here? All right. All right. Yeah, so it looked like kind of made a bearish impulsive move, but see if it wants to melt. So here's 8 minute GAN flip. Accumulations already kind of looking wants to go up. The RSI is still down. We got 5. Look at 30. I look at all the time frames just to kind of see what's up. It might have. See, that's why I like. Look, why I like making this one dot right here. You go down 10 points and then put the sell stop. Because look, price came in, now it's starting to fly up. All right, so you don't get caught in a sale, and then look how price is just ripping up. So here is the low that I'm talking about, right? And go down. Yeah, see, kind of safety net, that 10-point safety net. So once it breaks that 10-point range, then we're going to jump into that sell. That would have saved you from this drawdown that's happening right now. You dig? I need to make my screen smaller so y'all can see what I'm doing. See my mug? I'm gonna make that real small. How's that? Is that better? Let's see if I go here, y'all can see me. What up? All right, cool. All right, so now look how this 30 minute is. This new hour candle. Okay, 10 o'clock. Pushing on up, pushing on up. So that was a decent little bearish momentum. But I mean, it broke. Let's look at it. It broke the market open candle, the first 30-minute market open candle. It broke it and closed beneath it, then gave you a little 5 minute fake, but it did not close beneath this range or this 30-minute order block here. This 30-minute order block, this red zone is this 30-minute order block right here. It did not close beneath. We want to look for a close beneath. Right. We're not jumping into this buy either. All right, because look at our idea. Look, our idea is spelling it out for us. Right. Price comes down, bro, comes and pulls back. Then we look for a breaker structure, continuing down, breaking beneath. Now on a 2 minute, it closed beneath it, but that's 2 minute. That don't mean nothing. All right, so we're looking for that 5 minute candle to close beneath this level here. Now, if you was in this GAN flip, congratulations, you did well. Uh, looks like you're experiencing just a little minor pullback. You've already reached a 1-to-1, potentially being protected. Good for you. But we're gonna wait till it breaks all this structure with a 50-point stop loss. See how that reacts. So we're looking at accumulation start to uh, make a curve down. Once we get that red dot, look what happens when you get that red dot. Boom, coming down. It looks like it's curving down too from this green deal. And RSI is beneath that yellow line. So this just could be, I mean, think about it like this. We could be getting uh drawn into a sell for price just to go higher because we're still bullish. We're still bullish. So it really depends. Really depends. Just had one breakout of a 4 hour range here. So let's look at this 4 hour. Did we print a new 4 hour candle yet? Nope. Terribly interested in taking a sell just yet. Let me get rid of that big old arrow. Let me get it. I'm gonna keep that idea here. Move it out the way so we can see. So we still have our sell stop there. See how price wants to react. Cool. Now we're just waiting. Still waiting. But I don't think that we're going to be going up to the higher price ranges today. Now, anything is possible, but I don't think so. It might. It might. It might. Might just try. It still might be trying to convince us or persuade us to get into a sale and then just rip all the way up. But really not sure. When you're not sure, don't do nothing. Now, if it taps us into this sale, we're in it. It came close. It came close. It came real close. Get rid of this alarm. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me go here to 30 minute. Mm, interesting to me just yet. I mean, that's a lot of bearish momentum down. 30 minute. That means that there's a lot of bearish structure in that 30 minute. Oh, yeah, sure. Just not sure. All right, all right, all right, all right. It's trying to entice. Enticement, that's the word. Enticement. Trying to entice you to get into a sale. So if I got 100 divided by 171, it's 3 cents. All right. So we're gonna do 5 cents. That buy stop right here, or I'm sorry, sell stop on a 5 cent. So what was that? I got $500 to risk. That's what this is saying. I got $500 to risk, which is 0.5% on a $100,000 account. And I'm going to look and see how much this stop loss will be if I'm going to that swing high. It's 170. So 500 divided by 170 is 3. So I'm going to do 5. Okay. So it's almost risking 1%. Look at just put some sell stops as it melts down, if it melts down. No guarantee. Look how it's just rejecting this fib fan, though. This fib fan is based on higher time frame, right? So here's the high. Comes down. The middle line is hitting this high right here. See if we can see it like this. That's pretty amazing. And it's just sitting on that fib fan. Sitting on that fib fan and a 4-hour order block support. So we're just gonna see what it wants to do. It looks like it's building up to break down, if you ask me. Sure, I'm in my zone where I need to be. Here, so from this dot, so about 10 points. And then about 25 points. All right. Just gonna wait. See how it wants to react to those levels. Can find support right here. Don't know. All we know is we don't know. If you're watching this stream, man, if you stuck around with us, that means you like something that's going on here. Man, go ahead and give us a follow, give us a subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, hit the thumb. You dig? I know that there's a lot of different channels that go over trading NAS, but we're gonna keep it chill up in here. Might just rename this channel to The Chill Trader. Keep it chill, man. We're gonna keep it chill. Like we sitting on a beach or something. Just keep it chill, man. Looks like the Bulls are still in the game. Is there any more? So there was 10 o'clock news, low impact news, and 10:30 low impact news. That's about it. Friday, let's look at Friday's news. Friday we got high news, 7:30 a.m. So I will be on early. Be on early. Break that news with you if you're down. Let's see what they're talking about.
OEMs eventually come to the same margin and multiple, and that's what makes Tesla so interesting right now. Tony, thanks so much. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Still to come this hour, we will get earnings from our parent company, Comcast, as well as MasterCard. Plus, JetBlue shares moving lower after results, but that stock is up 27% this year. We will speak with the CEO exclusively ahead. Check is just getting started. Don't go away.
All right, sometimes we checking out the news and seeing what's going on. I mean, not much is going on right now. Seems like market's just kind of chilling. So we just wait. But we did not get tapped into that sell, which was really close. It was really close. Zone. Get rid of that guy. It was interesting. That is Tuesday. That's Tuesday's 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. candle. It's Wednesday's 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. candle. Here's today's 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. candle. Sitting right on today's support. So we're still in this 4-hour order block, man. It seems like we're just out in that. I would think we would want to make a push down to the Asia low. Oh, that is Asia low. Okay, Asia high. So we're at Asia high. We just touched it. So now looking for a break of structure up. Okay, we got one on the lower time frame. RSI is moving up. Breaking through the tomato on the 5. Let's see. Well, I would still want to break above all this madness. Above all this madness to go for a buy. Here's the 67 points. Can't tell what these are. It's giving me different ones. Consolidation, man. Ain't no but consolidation up in here. Asia low, or I'm sorry, we touch Asia high and starting to reject it. Back to the 4-hour order block, midpoint. Reject in the middle of that order block. Still could melt today. Just waiting, just waiting, just waiting. See what market wants to do, man. There. Let's see. Size still beneath and some bullish momentum. See what happens. Well, testing this fib fan level and getting hung up on it, which is basically a 30-minute level. See what happens. We're waiting, lady. You is. I'm a dude. Look, this is where I want to look at US 30. Same. Same. That's what I do. Right here, put a sell stop on US 30. Thing melt, then we have a ways to go down too on US 30. All right. Just wait and see. You dig? All right. Looks like nope, didn't get tapped in yet. Still didn't get tapped in. So it seems like it's gonna be right here. Asia open. That was some enticement candle right there on that 5-minute. Sheesh. I mean, that's not what's happening. On the broker, that's not what's happening. You still have yet to break that level. So. Want to jump in that one yet? So we actually tapped into our first no, that's 10 points right there. So we still would not have tapped in based on this other dot that we saw. But it's a lot of enticement, man. It's a lot of enticement. So we're still kind of consolidating on Asia high level, which price likes to do. It likes to come and tap Asia high and take off. So here's the open. It breaks out of Asia high, comes and taps it, takes off. Right? So we come and tap Asia high, and now it looks like we're taking off. Pretty interesting to me. We got about 2 minutes till the next 30-minute candle. Had we closed this 30-minute candle that we're in beneath this level, that's a good sign for bearish move. Bearish. Watching. Y'all watching this thing? What y'all doing? Y'all watching this thing? It's a pretty decent move since the open. Pretty decent move since the open. Can't lie about that. Took this dot. Let's see. 11. Comes down here to touch the 4-hour order block. Could have clicked buy and interesting. Now it looks like we're gonna be back in consolidation mode. But today, boy, look, I might just take these sell stops off and be done for the day. Got a little bit more time. I'm gonna go to 11, see what happens. Watch 11. That's where it finds a direction, and that's where it takes off. What y'all think? Up or down? What we doing? See something real fast. Looking for time. That is some bullish movement right there. Find what I need. All right. New 30-minute candle. Let's go. What you want to do? 10:30. $10:30, man. Got some explaining to do. Look at this 5-minute trend line that's forming as well. Y'all see that? Y'all probably already got it marked up. I'm late. Something like that needs to be broke. All right, so we get a GAN flip going up. We're potentially going to get hung up on this 5-minute trend line. We need to break above it. Man. We're back into the 8:30 candle range. Look how price came to the Asia high and rejected, went up. Now we're at the Asia high again, consolidating here. Size beneath the moving average, so we could just slowly trickle down. Just slowly trickle down to these levels. Get all those imbalances. Ultimately looking for a 1 to 5, man. That's just feel like good sound to it. 1 to 5, risking 50, dude. That sounds good to me. So we just keep on waiting. You never know when this is gonna happen. Never know. Right when I walk away, this thing just melt right there. So see what 2. Yeah, you can always get whipsawed on 2. Always. Know that somebody took that breaker structure going up to almost a 1 to 3. Not too bad. Minute. Are you patient? But are you patient though? Are you a patient trader? Are you a chill trader? So here's our entries for today. I don't know why it's difficult to see. What happens? Can't seem to get it better. That's a Streamlabs thing. All these entries. I need to work on it. I'll work on it and I'll figure it out. Why the stream sure is so poor. Real blurry, and I don't know why. Oh, okay. Somebody's buying. Natalia, what you buying for, lady? Shh. Bounced off the Asia high. No. Crazy. See, though. I don't like it. I can't even do it just to have fun. It has to break this level here. See, I can't give you login information if you're gonna trade like that. No. Nope. Not gonna happen. Enter it. I can't enter it. I was gonna say I don't want you to do it by yourself. Nah, you're gonna do this one by yourself now. I mean, scalp. If you're gonna scalp. Look. I mean, if there's something I'm not seeing, what am I not seeing? That's what I need to know. See, that's why I need them eyes. Where your eyes at? SL and profit. Go for it. Come on. 4 hour, this 4 hour level is like just holding pattern. this 4-hour level. It don't want to know. We can't tell if it's gonna go out of this down or if it's gonna go push up to this higher. I don't know. Don't know. All I know is I don't know. I mean, rejection wick right there tells you to sell, but then it pushes up. You don't know what to do, don't do nothing. You remember? Y'all remember. Bouncing off the 200. Bouncing off Asia. Yep. Bouncing off Asia high. Gotta break this trend line, man, to continue this bull run. No, we need to break this trend line. That's a daily trend line. A higher time frame trend line. The 5-minute trend line we need to break. Why is blue? Let's make them red. Dig. Size low. Accumulation distribution is red. Turning up. Let's see. Turning up. Congratulations, you made a good scalp. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, you're gonna be in charge of our scalping department. Is getting hung up on the tomato for real. Same thing happened yesterday. No, same thing happened the day before yesterday, where we got caught up in all this consolidation. Look at this. This was the day before yesterday. OMG. Now, I'm proud of these trades that I took. Okay, I'm not proud of them, but I'm gonna share them with y'all anyway. Stream. It was Tuesday. All right. Pretty decent sell on 7:30. Scalped this one. We jumped into a buy, and it was really good. It came up to our 4-hour order block, and that was great. Okay, then it rejected. 9 o'clock, pushed back up to Asia, high, rejected. All right, GAN was blue pretty much the whole day. Here's 12 o'clock, 11:30. Some of these were kind of silly. I think I was trying to play the exit of the Asia low, and I took out here just because of the consolidation. I was like, nah, I ain't having it. Then I took another sell at 11:30, scalp. Then we took a buy here thinking the Asia high was getting broke, so loser. This got moved. This was actually a break of structure that we took here. And I remember the stop loss was really high. It was actually this. Oh gosh, what's going on? I can't work this mouse right. Here it goes. And we took it out when it got into profit. This one, I believe, we took this GAN flip. 11, went to a 1 to 3. Super dope. Now, this is why I didn't like this, okay? 'Cause I'm in a buy, and then news out of nowhere comes. And it's like, me out at my stop loss was in profit here, but it closed, my broker closed me negative. So I tried to click buy as it's making its way up, and it puts me in a buy way at the top because it was just so many orders going on, I guess. Then I clicked sell. The market opened again and held that mug forever. And That was fun. So 1 to 22. I mean, that don't happen all the time, but our rules are dope. Then Wednesday, GAN flip down, bang. Then GAN flip up, bang. And now consolidation, just like Tuesday. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, man, trash of this week. Just consolidation. And it's like, no, man, just pick a direction. Let us just jump into the wave. Y'all see how wavy this is, man? That's just a wave. I love it. Dude, that's so dope. So dope. So we do really well with our rules in a trend situation. But when it consolidates like it did here Wednesday morning, consolidate, you stay out of the way. And right here where we at now, consolidation. I mean, there's nothing you can do but wait. And that's where we are right now. Now I can look at a couple of different things. Y'all want to see something cool? Let's go to 1 hour. No, let's go to 4 hour. Turn off all these indicators. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that 4 hour candle, man. Wicks to the top, wicks to the bottom. The big GAN map. Y'all want to see the GAN map? So where we are on the daily for the GAN map. Daily, we're leaving a wick to the top. Why is it rejecting this level? Well, there's a lot of rejections here. Okay. Let me get rid of these. Y'all see all the rejections on the daily? Look at all that. So if I were to draw, where is our rejection zone? It's basically, I would say like right here. That's our rejection zone on the daily. Somewhere right there. And so if we go to 30-minute, look, we're still in the GAN map. Here's the arc. Here's a weekly level. All right, here's our daily rejection level. Look where we are on the 30-minute. Man, we are in that daily rejection level. So for us to continue higher, man, we got a ways to go up. We got a ways to go up. But it just makes more sense for us to come down and test this trend line. This trend line, I believe, is a daily trend line, or it could be even higher. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, so that's the daily trend going down from this high here, touching this high, rejecting, touching this significant wick here. Right, so it makes sense for us to come and retest that trend line to go up higher before we go up higher. If that makes sense. If I go to something like a 15-minute, yeah, that's ugly. Ugh. That's ugly. Ugly. That's foogly. What else do we see? Okay, the GAN flipped up. Who's gonna take that? Who's gonna take that? Who's going to take that again? Right. I really don't. Because we're beneath this big trend line here. We're beneath a 5-minute trend line. We're at the middle of a 4-hour order block. There's not a lot of volume in the market. This is the other thing. Let's look at volume profile. Oh, I can't put it on. Why not? Accumulation, distribution is flipped to green. So that's, not a bad sign. Volume profile now. Okay. There's a lot of volume where we are right now currently. Look how much volume is in this 4-hour order block. It's interesting. I would say as soon as we break out of this 4-hour order block on a higher time frame and close beneath this level, makes sense for us to wait. Makes sense for us to wait and take it to the lower price ranges. See, look what happened the other day when we came and ranged on this 4-hour order block. Y'all see that? When we ranged on the 4-hour order block, here kind of consolidated the other day here, and then it made its way up and then melt all the way back down. This is what I'm anticipating, and it's probably going to happen at 1 o'clock. Again, or 11. That would give us double. This is double tops, or really triple tops. 1, 2, 3. Taking out all these sellers, tricking the buyers. On the Lord. It just makes sense for us to come to the daily level that's been rejecting. If I go to the 4-hour, let's go to the 4-hour. How many times did we reject this level? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be the 9th time that we reject this pretty large level. I mean, pretty large level of rejection on the day. On the daily levels. If we come here, if we look to the left, look what happened. Here's a rejection that turned to support. Then we kind of get into the level support, and then we find support again, and then we break through finally, and then come back into the level, reject, and then we start to reject. All right, so, boy, look, we have a reason to reject this daily level. This is from like a really high perspective, higher time frame perspective. I'm saying once we break beneath this daily level, like how we did on this 30-minute candle at 9:30, and we rush back into the daily level. Once we break this 30-minute level here, we take it to this trend line and see how it reacts. I'm thinking if we get to the trend line, we're going to go ahead and take it down to this level here. What price is that? That's 11,250. Because we could definitely go higher into the price, into the daily rejection. Like we could actually go to the top of this daily level rejection zone. Of course we could. Where's this GAN at? So this just seems like we're still in consolidation, honestly, which we're in the market open candles range. Let's get rid of this volume profile. As soon as long as we're in the first 30-minute candles range, I ain't interested. Well, look what happened before, right? Look what happened yesterday. Yesterday's prime example. Look, so here is 8:30. What happened at 8:30? It's really, really simple. Here's the 8:30 high. Here's the 8:30 low. When did price break that? Right? So there is a GAN flip in here, but did it take a long time for it to get out of this? No. Right? 1, 2, 3, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 20 minutes for it to close. Like you saw some bullish momentum out of there. And it came and retested and then took off. Came back, retested, but didn't make it to the opening candles range. So that first 30-minute candles range is important. You dig? But as long as we're still in it, bro, Ash. So you saw that move, that just beautiful trend. Look what happened the day before, right? The day before, same thing, consolidation. Where you at? I think it's right here. There's 9 o'clock. Let's just draw it out. 8:30 range, high. Look how much consolidation happened. That's pretty much all day from the open till 3 o'clock. That's where it took off. And then closes above it. But pretty much traded all day in that market open range. Trash. And then what's really crazy is I just knew because of this wick that it was rejecting that trend line and rejecting this 4-hour order block. Click sell, man. Click sell as soon as you see those. So click sell. The next, when the market opened at 5 a.m., that thing just melts out of that 4-hour order block. So I'm anticipating that kind of move because we're at the middle of the 4-hour order block again. Here comes 11. Comes 11 o'clock. And now we have a pretty decent 30-minute order block here. Get beneath here. Let's take this mug all the way down. How about that? Just seems like that's what it makes most sense for it to do. Hope that makes sense. Does that make sense? Still holding the buy. Still holding the buy, yeah, buddy. Ay. All right. Price came to the trend line and rejected it. Nobody mad. We just saying. What would be interesting is that if it made a bullish push up to this 30-minute order block here, ooh, that'd be nice. That would be nice to have a sell stop ready to like take right here. Then when we come on down. So if that's the idea, then what I want to do all right, here's what I want to do, guys. A minute. Put a sell or a buy limit or a sell limit right here. If price comes up here, it's going to tag me in a sell. And my stop loss is only going to be like itty bitty. Hold on, let me see how much it's actually going to be. Yeah, 29. So 29. Right in the middle of, or the top, really. So it's the top of this guy. Right there. So there's my sell stop. Price comes up in here, it's gonna put us in a sell, and we're gonna take it down. Okay. I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna go for this 4-hour order block down here. It'd be 1 to 27. Come on, man. Are we crazy or what? We're just gonna wait for it to creep up in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set an alert because I don't know when this will happen or if it'll happen. I'm gonna say app into buy. I'm gonna say 13.SL. What I'll do is I'll just automatically put the stop loss in 12,020. So you right click on the sell limit, modify, stop loss, 1,000, no, not 10, 12, 12,020. Click modify, boom, there's a stop loss. And we'll give it a little bit of room to breathe. Really 12,222. Just a little bit of room to breathe right there. So 20-point stop loss. Come on. Come up. Come on up. Who wants to see this happen? Who wants to see this happen? Who wants to see this happen? Because that's where people's stop losses are for these sells. So it makes sense for price to come up and hit that stop loss. What? Matter of fact, give it a little bit more breathing room. Put another sell limit here. Modify that. I'll say 12,000 like 8. Dale. On bull. Y'all on the see, because I'm not taking buys yet. Because we in the candle open range. Right? You come up in here and start to reject. We could take that. So what I'll do is I'll put a buy stop just above these sell limits. If I get knocked out of the sells, hit the stop loss, and it gets us in the buy, then we go up. It's in the buy right now. As it's getting hung up on this trend line. Silly. Y'all silly taking buys right there. Okay. What we doing? So as it does come down, it'll still knock us into this sell stop here, putting us into more sells. It's a pretty significant area, if you ask me. Because if I keep in mind where we are, let me get rid of this. If I keep in mind where we are on this daily rejection deal, we already took out these highs, so these sellers are already knocked out. So market is trying to decide which way it's gonna go. 11 o'clock, what are we doing? It's 11 o'clock right now. Go bullish, dude, go bullish. Go bullish. Let's go. So this sell stop, or buy stops, stop loss. Right there, 11.98. Modify. Stop loss 11,980. Modify. There it is. So I got the buy stops. I got the sell limits. All of those have stop losses pre-made. Sell stops down here. Depending on if we get tagged into the sales here, I won't put the stop losses on these yet. Wait and see what that pans out, how it plays out, how it takes shape. You took the GAN flip here. Let's see, could be targeting that high. That's 109.76, 32, and then the one is right here. I'm good for letting that one go. Congratulations on those who took the buy on the GAN flip. Congratulations. In a 4-hour order block, I ain't mad at you. Well, that's 3 green candles on 30 minutes. Look at that. You might hit a 1-to-1. There's a 1-to-1 right. About 6 points away from a 1-to-1. Good job. $11 o'clock. Not bad for a bullish push-up. But I know consolidation when I see it. Ugh. Loss in profit, potentially. We're also getting hung up on this middle fib fan level. Ejecting that fib fan like to the decimal. Can you get above that fib fan? Pump it up, pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Is this the one? Is this the one? About a minute left till a new 5-minute candle. Ay, ay, ay. So I just saw this. Shh. At that entry. On that entry, the MVP entry. MVP entry on that one. I ain't gonna lie. What rule? What would ever cause you to think to do that? All right, let's just mark it up. Maybe it's the bull candle that comes out. Maybe. I don't know. Just saying. Maybe it was the second one. Let's say it was the second bull candle with a 26-point stop. Good job. That one will get you some credential login for sure. Targeting a 1. Top of the mountain. Come on, let's go to the top of the mountain. 5.55. I'm down. Good job. And tap us into these cells up here. We're good. Nice little bullish run. If it gets above this fib fan level, I think we'll see some more bullish continuation. It also has to remember, break this 5-minute trend line right there. Say the 1-to-1 above the fib channel. Wow. Let's go. Yeah. Post it. Post what you saw. Maybe it's the 1 minute. Full bottoms. I don't know. All right, above the fib fan channel. What is it? Of this 5-minute trend line. A pullback or a retest. Yeah, I don't know. It's not our rules, but it is working. So, tweezers. Tweezers is a good indicator for a bull run. You don't know. Just risk proper. Looking forward to going back in time and watching this. Be like, bro. "15 seconds left." Let's get that. It's awesome. Yeah, 3 bullish candles. Hey. Accumulation. Almost hitting a 1-to-1. Big 12,000 got hit. Boom. Come on. Yesterday's target. Wow. Iterated. A 1-to-16. You held on the 30-minute. Good job. One of our traders had an entry right like that, but I don't think they held it. That's great. Really good. Moves like that, y'all. How you catch them? Gotta have rules. All right, we're getting a GAN flip on the 30, going up. Looking for a rejection candle. Above that 5-minute. Let's go. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Target the top of the 4-hour order block. See how it reacts. Let's move this to the 1-minute time frame. Nice bullish movement. Just holding. So you hit a 1-to-1, 0.5. Then what happens? That's what you want to do, price. Still in the first 30-minute candle market open range. Ugh. Call that the gremlin range. It's not our rule, but I'm considering it. Wait till price gets out of the open candles range. So at this point, what you want to target the top, man? Look, we're just gonna target the top. See if price touches this and melts. All I know is I don't know. I know this is bullish right now. Sheesh. Come on. MVP entry. MVP entry right there. That was an MVP entry right there. I ain't gonna lie. RSI was down. Look. Everything said sell. 8-minute GAN flip up. Good job. That's it right there. That's what we want to see right there. And it's really about this 4 hour. The 4 hour zone is what caused me not to enter that 5-minute GAN flip. Even though we came out of consolidation and all that. Yeah. Good job. Top of the 4 hour order block on Carbon. Already took a nice push up. Come on. Good work, good work. Holding. Taking partials only at point of interest, which is the bottom of this 30-minute order block. One to 1.7. The middle of this is a 1 to 2.7. And then the top is a 1 to 3.7. Dude, that's textbook. Textbook. Not bad. Taking a GAN flip out of a 30-minute order block. Let me look at. Sure. To edit this, it would be this guy. There's still a 4 hour order block. Let's see. It's a lot of sense. Just a little bit too much of a risky range for me. Just a little. I'd rather be coming out of a 4 hour as opposed to going into a 4 hour order block. Hey, but price is going to do what price wants to do. Treat it, manage it properly, risk properly. You dig? Come. Treat though, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. So when accumulation distribution indicator gave us a red signal going down, right? It's tweezers here. And then started to give us green right at the GAN flip. So at the close of the GAN flip, it's green. So that's a great indicator that just more confluence, not necessarily rules that we need to look at, but the bearish moves, same. $8.30, we're in green. Accumulation kicks in, distribution kicks in, and as it flips to red, we get a GAN flip. And once it reaches its peak, or once it starts to turn up, you get this bullish movement here. Double tops, starts to really push up. So that's kind of cool. Then it starts to turn down. The RSI is moving down. Green is turning down. The GAN flips and closes and gives us red. GAN flip down. I'm just noticing how this thing kind of coincides with what we already do. That's kind of cool. You see that this red indicator does not turn up. It's GAN flip, so it's interesting. It did here for sure. It's not even less. All right, so there's the bull candle, tweezers, and then at the close of this GAN, it's green. So that's great. Size beneath moving average, so what's this? 425. It's amazing. All right, just keep watching, keep waiting. Good work, y'all. Hey, y'all are being patient today. So we're definitely in daily rejection zone. Y'all see that? See, even in consolidation, you can still make some pretty decent moves. This is reacting to it on this time frame. To the 30-minute order block. Got 30-minute dots yet? Nope. Yet. We break these levels, either up or down, will be great. So we rejected the top of that fan. We're getting a lower high, 1 minute, 5-minute time frame. Y'all think it's gonna take for this thing to melt? Hopefully you are protected. GAN flip. If you took that lower entry, hopefully you're already protected as well. Decent push. 6 points. 1 to 3.33. 333. Not bad. $11.20. Come on. What will make this better? Bet you if I did from Zoom. So I think there's a way I can go live from Zoom. All right, so what I'm gonna do for all of you who are joining us, I think I'm gonna call it a day, and I will keep you posted on trees. Not too bad of a trading day, if you ask me. 8. That's what I want to know. Man. Thank you for checking out this channel. for the amazing traders that are out there making these trades with us, holding these trades with us, risking proper things, man. Y'all are amazing. I appreciate it. But y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's news. We'll be live, Lord willing. All right. See you on the next video.